Good morning, Year 1. Today we're going to do some maths. And we just wanted to start by saying a massive well done for all of your super work that you sent in yesterday. You were getting so good at completing those bar models, so well done all of you. Now we need to get our maths brains warmed up. So we're going to do our learn its. Now hopefully you had a really good go at this yesterday. And maybe today you might get even quicker than you were doing it yesterday. So join in then. So we've got 8 add 2, 9 add what? 5 add 5, 4 add 6, 1 add 9, 6 add what? 9 add 1, 1 add 1, 1 add what? 1 add 2, 2 add what? 3 add 7, 3 add 2, 4 add what? 4 add 4, 0 add 10, 8 add what? 10 add what? 6 add 4, 2 add 3, 10 add 0, 3 add what? 0 add what? 2 add 2, 7 add 3, 7 add 2 add 8, and 3 add 3. Very good, well done everyone. So keep practicing those each day and go on Numbots as well because you can help learn those as well on there, and then you'll be ready for your big maths quiz on Friday. So keep practicing everyone. Now, we all know how well you are trying at home to keep making sure your numbers are the right way around, and it is tricky, but we think you're doing a fabulous job. So today we're giving you the chance to show off a little bit. And we want you to show your adults how well you are doing at writing those numbers. So I'm going to give you a number and then you're going to have a go at writing that number on your paper or in a book, on a whiteboard, whatever you've got at home. Then I'm going to write mine and you're going to check to see if you've written your number the right way around. Do you think you can do this? Yeah, we think you can as well. So we think you're ready for this challenge today. So the first number I would like you to have a go at writing is the number 7. Now don't let it trick you. Have a think about which way round number 7 goes. Now if you need a bit more extra time, you can pause between each number and then have a little bit longer and come back to us to check when you're ready. So the number 7, you start at the top and it's a straight line across and then it goes a bit diagonal. Did you get that right, number 7? Well done. Okay, next number 3. Have a go at the number 3. Right, well we start at the top, we come round into the middle and curl it round at the bottom. Very good. Try the number 9. Now have a look at my 9 and you're going to tell me if I've got it right. Number 9. Is this right? Give me a thumbs up if you think I've got it right. Thumbs down if you think it's wrong. Well done, it's wrong. What does that actually say? That says P, doesn't it? That's a letter P. So I'm going to put a cross through that. And hopefully, I'm sure you all did your number 9 like that. Well done. Try the number 5 this time. Number 5. So when we do the number 5, we start there, we come round, and then we put a hat on it. Number 5. Well done. And sometimes we do this by accident and we just make it more look like an S, and that's the letter, so make sure you put that hat on the top of it to make it nice and straight. Now we're going to try some tricky ones this time. Can you have a go at writing the number 14? So it's 14. You might need a little bit of couple more minutes for this one, so you can pause the video. So how many 10s are in 14? Well done, there's 1 10. How many ones? 4. So well done if you got the number 14. Try for me the number 16. Have a go at that. So hopefully you've had a go. So you start at the top, you come down, that's for your 1. Now we know it's got 1 10, and how many ones? done. 6 ones. Now when you're writing the number 1, it's really important to make sure it is just a straight line like that. So don't put any hooks on it, because sometimes that makes it look like something else. Sometimes it could look like a 7 maybe. So just a nice straight line for the number 1. But you are all doing that, so well done each and every one of you, because you are remembering to do this the right way around. Next number, it's a bit of a tricky one. Number 28. 28. And I bet you're all sat at home going, Miss Gardner, this is so easy. And that means you're practicing if you're finding it nice and easy. So number 28. How many 10s are in 28? Very good. There's 2 10s. And how many 1s? Very good. 8. So it's like an S, and then it curls back round into an 8. 28. Oh, mine's a bit wobbly there. Last one then. Can you have a go at the number? Ooh, let's try the number 35. 35. Now let's see if you got it right. How many 10s in 35? Well done. 3 10s. And how many 1s? 5. 35. Well done. Now just make sure that you didn't get your 10s and 1s the wrong way around. So be careful that you didn't write this number, because what number is that? Oh, wow, we're getting really wonky down the board there. Sorry about that, everyone. What number is that? Yeah, that's 53, isn't it? So just be careful that you're not getting your 10s and 1s the wrong way around. Well done, everyone. So make sure you keep practicing writing those numbers. You could do it whenever you've got a spare moment, or at the start of a maths lesson, just to get you ready for the lesson. I'm going to rub these off. Now, our special number today, have a think. What do you think our special number was yesterday? Can you remember? Yeah, it was the number 16. So our special number is 16 again today. But this time we're not adding, we're subtracting. So have a little think about what we might be doing. So we're going to be counting backwards. So we're going to start at different numbers and we're going to stop when we get to 16. So can you join in with me? So we've got 34. Count with me then. 33. 32. Oh, what's the next one? 31. Very good. 30. 29. 28. 27. 26. 25. Oh, nearly took an extra one there. 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16. Special number there. Right, let's try a different one. Let's start this time from 28. Here we go then, 28. 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16. Very good. This time we're going to start from 22, but I don't think you need me for this. So I'm going to hold up the numbers and you're going to have a go at saying them without me. Are you ready? Start with 22. Well, year 1, that was amazing. I heard so much good counting there. That was fantastic. Well done, all of you. So we've had a go at counting backwards. So our lesson today is, here's the lesson objective, to find and represent all subtraction number facts of special number 16. And to be able to do that, we need to count accurately objects to 16. We need to look carefully at the starting number, work out how many you need to take away to get to 16. That's our lesson for today. Now have a look at this line on the board. I've given you a clue already. What does that line mean? Very good, it means subtraction. What does subtraction mean? Very good, so it means we're taking away. So instead of adding, we're taking away. So our answer, is it going to get bigger? Is it going to go up? Or is it going to get smaller, go down? So we're going up or down, what do you think? Very good, it's going down because our answers are going to get smaller each time. So we must always start with the biggest number when we're subtracting. So we start with the biggest number to help us do that. So, I've got a special friend again. I wonder if you can guess who my special friend is. I'll give you a clue. It's coming up. Who is the special friend again? Here she is. It's Penny the polar bear. You've seen so much of polar bears this week. She is back again. So this is my special friend, Penny, and she's joining us again. But Penny's feeling a little bit full. Penny has been eating some food. She's been eating some fish, and her tummy is really full. And we need to help Penny to work out how many fish she could have eaten. Now we know that she's eaten some fish, but she's been left with the number 16. So she's got 16 fish left, but she just can't work out how many she's eaten. Her tummy's that full, she just can't remember. So we're going to help Penny today to help her find out how many fish she might have eaten. Now, you've done something like this before when you helped Forgetful Fred to find his socks, to help him work out how many socks he'd got. So there's lots of different ways you could do this. So the first way is by finding some objects from around your home. So how many objects do you think you might be able to find to help you? Yeah, you could find 16, okay? So you want to be finding 16, but that's how many we want to get to at the end. So how many could you find to start with, do you think? That's right, you would find more than 16 because that's what we want to get to at the end. So you would start maybe with 20, or if you'd like to challenge yourself, you could start with 25 or 30. And then you're going to find different ways of getting from that bigger number down to 16. So 16 is the final number, but you want to get to 16. So how are you going to do that? So you're going to split your objects up until you get to 16. So how many are you taking away each time? So that's one way you could do it. Another way is by using our number line. So we've done this before, haven't we? So we've used a number line before. Now we're going to give you a bit of a clue. We know we want to get to 16. So to be able to get to 16, I'll just move this forward a little bit for you. We need to get to 16 at the end. So we're going to start with a bigger number than 16. So if you would like, you can start with 20. If you'd like to challenge yourself, you might start with 30 or 25. So there's different options for you today. It's however you're feeling. If you're feeling like a challenge today, we would love to see that. Otherwise, start with 20, however you're feeling. So we're going to start with 20 and we're going to jump back until we get to 16. So jump with me then. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and we've landed on 16 there. So what would my number sentence be? That's right, so we know, Penny, you might have started with 20 fish and you might have eaten 4 to leave you with 16. So that could be your number sentence. Now again, we're spotting those patterns. So what number might you start with this time? So you can rub out your number line. What number might you start with this time? Very good, you start with the next number. So we had 20, so this time we'd start with 19 and so on. I'm not going to do it for you today though, as you haven't got many if you start with 20, so we don't want to give it away for you. So there's one way you could do it with a number line, and you've got number lines in your catch-up pack, so you can have a go at that one. Like I said, the first one, objects, number line, or you could try a tens frame. Let me stick this on for you to see. So you could draw your own tens frame, and again, just like we said before, find 20 objects to help you if you're starting with the number 20, or if you're doing 25 or 30, you could start with that amount of objects too. So we've got 20, and we know we want to get to 16. So we're going to take away some objects from our tens frame to see how many we would have if we want to get to 16. So we would take away, I'll put them down here, you might be able to help me count. So on this tens frame we want to have, we know on this one we're going to have 10. How many do we want on this one if we're making 16? Well done, we want to leave 6 on there, don't we? So there is our 6. So how many have we taken away then? That's right, we've taken away 4. So we've got 20 again, take away 4 equals 6. Does it equal 6? Oh my goodness, Miss Gardner, what does it equal? Well done, it equals 16. I think I need to put my thinking cap on today. It equals 16, well done. So there's another way you could do it, and then the next time you can put your objects back and start with a different number. So this time you could start with 19 and you can take away that one because you don't need it. You should start with 19, take away until you get to 16. How many have you taken away? So there's another way of doing it. So there's 3 different ways you could do this lesson today, and you want to help Penny to work out how many fish has she eaten. So there's lots of different ways you might be able to work this out. There's lots of different answers. Penny just doesn't realise how many fish she's eaten. She was so excited to eat them all, she can't remember. Now there's 3 different activities, like I said. So you've got this one where you can start from 20, but there aren't many for that one. So perhaps you could challenge yourself by having a go at this one, where you start from 25. And then finally, a real challenge, if you'd like, is to do this one and start from 30. There's another one for you. And then once you've done all of that, we've got a Secure It question for you. Now my special friend Penny the polar bear was here, and her friend is Miss Trevor's friend, Pip the penguin. These animals are just so hungry. So Pip the penguin, he has been eating too. So Pip the penguin has 19 fish. He eats 5 of them. He has 16 left. Is that true or false? So have a go at working out whether Pip the penguin, that's right for him, so is it true or false? You can fill this in here. We'd really love to see you try the Secure It today. So good luck everyone, enjoy your maths and have a fabulous day. Bye bye.